welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're making grilled chicken Greek salad. Who doesn't like salad? If you don't like salad, you're gonna love this recipe. You know why? Because we're going to pick our own vegetable from the backyard, from the garden. Fresh pick, and the freshest salad you're gonna have, and you're gonna love it. Beautiful tomatoes. Let's walk to the other one. I'm picking here the yellow tomatoes, red tomato, red cherry tomatoes, black cherry tomatoes, more orange cherry. Gonna be a yummy salad today. Purple tomato as well. Look at this beautiful cucumber. Isn't it that nice? Look at this. Beautiful green pepper. Look at this. Nice. We'll pick another one for our salad. Beautiful. Here you go. Give it a nice wash. This chicken was already marinated with the same dressing of the for the salad. Nice. Here you go. Voila! I have the vegetable. It's already picked, nice and washed, and the chicken nice and grilled. They're ready. All what we need now is just to start cutting and put things together and make the special dressing for it, mix and start eating. So let's start cutting the vegetable first. I'm gonna start with the tomatoes. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna slice them quarters, just like that. Put them in a bowl. And I'm gonna do all the cherry tomato. I like this one here. It's just black and red tomato as well. Now I'm gonna do the cucumber. Goes in the bowl. Voila. Now the green pepper. My God, smells so good when it's fresh from the garden. As soon as you cut it. Red onion. Feta cheese, we're gonna cut it a very small dice. Let's split them. And I have here Kalamata olive. I'm gonna put a little bit iceberg lettuce in as well. Now we're gonna put it on the side and we're gonna work on the dressing. Now you can make more dressing if you want to, and you keep it in your fridge and it's good to go for at least like a month and a half you can use. A little bit of red wine, oregano, salt, pepper, and ready to be blended. That's it. You can put as much dressing as you want. Perfecto. Now let's give it a quick mix. and ready to be served. Put it on the side, the dressing on the side, and let's try a little bit, right? Yum. Nice. There you go. Now let's slice a couple of pieces of chicken. Yummy. Now let's give it a try. Wow, it's amazing Greek salad, grilled chicken Greek salad. And this is the freshest Greek salad I ever had, straight from the garden to your plate, and homemade dressing with it. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.